Dr. Ashu Sharma, Program Chairperson, MBA Business Analytics at School of Business Management, NMIMS. In today's digital economy, data is no longer a support function. It is the foundation of strategic decision making. At School of Business Management, NMIMS, our MBA Business Analytics is designed to create professionals who can seamlessly integrate advanced analytics with business acumen. This program offers a rigorous blend of management fundamentals and cutting-edge analytical capabilities. Students build strong foundations in data management and programming before progressing to advanced areas such as machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, and generative AI applications. The curriculum is structured to ensure that analytics is not taught in isolation, but embedded within real business context across marketing, finance, operations, supply chain, and strategy. A defining strength of the program is its hands-on, tool-driven pedagogy. Students work extensively with industry-relevant platforms and technologies, applying Python, R, SQL, visualization tools, and machine learning frameworks to real-world datasets. Through live projects, internships, capstone simulations, and workshops on emerging areas such as Google Analytics and Gen AI, students gain practical experience that mirrors the complexity of modern analytics roles. Our curriculum is continuously benchmarked against global best practices and refined through active engagement with industry experts and academic leaders. This ensures alignment with evolving industry needs, including data governance, ethical AI, sustainability analytics, and technology-driven decision frameworks. Graduates of the MBA Business Analytics program are well prepared for high-impact roles such as business analyst, data analyst, analytics consultant, product analyst, strategy analyst, and data science-driven positions. Our strong industry connect, robust corporate network, and dedicated career development support have consistently enabled students to secure opportunities across consulting, BFSI, technology, e-commerce, and analytics-led organizations. This program is ideal for individuals who aspire to lead in a data-driven world. Professionals who not only understand algorithms and models, but who can translate insights into strategic action and business value. I invite you to explore the MBA Business Analytics at School of Business Management NMIMS and be part of a learning experience that empowers you to lead with data, intelligence, and make an impact. Thank you.